What's up, guys? I am back out here at Jordan's and I have loaded up the 6.2 liter to test fit it in the 1986 C30. Oh yeah, guys, and don't forget to go hit that like and subscribe button so that you can follow this project and more projects in the future along. We're now trying to figure out how to get this thing unloaded without it just flopping off the end of this trailer. But I think we've got a plan. What do you got to say for yourself, Mr. Hignut?
Hell yeah.
Actually, we've got a better plan. The transfer case fits like a glove. So we've got a motor that'll start and a transfer case that'll hook up to a transmission. The only missing link is I have no idea if the transmission works. So
we do know it won't start in drive.
That is a fact.
Reverse,
We do know that. So the neutral safety switch works. I've got the old transmission crossmember removed, and we had a little fun with Jordan doing some donuts on the lawnmower. It's time to install the newly powder coated CFM Industries crossmember, and that thing is beautiful looking. We have made contact with the first hole. On a serious note, I've got one of the motor mounts, or a bolt in one of the motor mounts, and I don't have it all the way through, but once I do that, I'm hoping I can get this side too made up, and we should be golden at that point. Jordan, what do you got on over there, buddy?
Are you talking about my white New Balances?
Yeah.
These are 624s.
Those are nice.
They are, man. You talk about clouds.
Care if I try them on?
No, you still.
What the hell? So do you just start doing donuts automatically on lawnmowers when you got those on?
Pretty much, yeah.
And
yeah,
become an excellent cook?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, it's with the shoes, the socks, and the shorts.
Okay, okay.
Shirt really doesn't matter.
Oh,
I would
okay,
prefer
okay.
a white shirt, but you know,
I've got a few of those.
That's what I had on.
Yeah. Alright, I got good news. I was able to waller out the holes on the transfer case cross member, and it fits like a glove. And everything seems to be clearing just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and slide under the truck here and see if this Atlas will mount up without hitting anything on the cab. This is not going very good already.
10 minutes later. It's there.
I'm wore out. Okay. There ain't gonna be no issues clearing, I don't think.
Good.
Alright, so now that the transfer case is under there, everything appears like it's going to clear okay. So now all I got to do is take that thing out. It looks like my transmission cross member is going to work out just fine. Anyway, don't forget to go hit the like and subscribe button so you can follow this project and more videos along. But I'm going to call it quits on that, and this 6.2 with the 8L90 and an Atlas seems like it's going to work out just fine. So
Seems like we know what we're doing.
Yeah, we don't though. Not at all. We're just winging it. But all right. Catch y'all guys next time.